Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's 55 degrees. It wasn't 55 this morning. This all kind of leads me to the Q&A I have here because I like to do the Q&As. And when I do a Q&A, it's not just me answering it. So I'm going to give you the question that the guy asked, or guy or gal, I'm not sure. I think it was a guy. And then I want you guys to also, I'll give my answer, what I think. And then I want you guys also to comment below. What's your idea? What do you think? And give your answer.
Connected.
Okay, the guy asked on this question, he said, so when you're riding your dual sport in the winter, he said, when it's down to freezing, do you ride slow or fast? Well, that's a good question because I can tell you there's a huge difference of riding slow and riding fast because you have the wind chill. This morning I was riding in, it was 32 degrees this morning when I was riding in. And I purposely rode 25. And then when I get up to 55, I went up to 55. It's a vast difference in how cold it is. But now, you also got to consider at 55 miles an hour going to work, I'm going to get there a lot faster, so I'm not in the cold near as long. But it's a lot colder. So, what do you guys think? Would you rather go fast and get there quick, be colder, or take your time? You're in the cold a lot longer, but it's not as cold because you ain't got as much wind chill at 25 mile an hour. So basically, if you look at the wind chill for 32 degrees at 25 mile an hour, the wind chill is like 18 degrees, 18.7 degrees, I think. Now, when you go 55 miles an hour, that drops your wind chill down to 13.7 degrees. Now, this is Fahrenheit I'm talking about. You can check out what Celsius is. So, there's about a 5-degree difference. But that 5 degrees, I can tell you, when I'm doing 25 this morning, and then when I got up to 55, it's a huge difference in how much colder it is. But, you know, I'm getting there quicker, but it's a lot colder. So, comment below what you guys think. And it's also, I looked up 20 degrees. So, 20 degrees at 25 mile an hour was 3.5 degrees, something like that, Fahrenheit. And now, 55 miles an hour was like -2 or -3 right there. So it's actually quite a bit below zero at 55. So you're still talking about 5-degree difference either way from 25 to 55. But I mean, like right now, I was riding 55 on the highway, and of course I have my shield down because it's 55 degrees, but that wind coming in your shield is still pretty cold. So now that I'm doing, 20 miles an hour right now, there's a little wind coming in, but it's not really cold hardly at all. 55 degrees, sun's out. It's actually pretty nice. But now if I speed up to 55, there's going to be a lot of cold wind coming in my shield, and my eyes are going to start watering, so I would definitely shut the shield. So to ask the question, what do I do? Normally when I go to work, I just kind of putt. I'm not in a hurry. I leave plenty of time before work. And the back roads, I'll be doing 25 miles an hour. That's about my speed, 20, 25 mile an hour. I'm just kind of cruising in the morning, watching out for deer because it's dark when I go in. And but I take back roads most of the way. And until I get to town, and then the speed limits are 25 anyway. So set my shield down there. Actually, my eyes are starting to water a little bit now. So there you go, guys. Comment below. What do you do when it's cold? Do you ride real slow? You putt like I do, kind of just take it easy to keep it where you're not so cold? Or do you just bear the cold, grit your teeth, hunker down, and get on it and get to work? Or get to where you're going fast, get it over with? Comment below. Thank you all for watching. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel. If you are, click the thumbs up. Either way, click the thumbs up, but subscribe to my channel. So more question and answers coming later. I may start doing a Q&A video of doing a few questions, answer a few questions, Q&A videos. So For right now, I'm just doing one question at a time. Once in a while, when somebody asks a question, I want to post it on here and let you guys help me answer it. Because a lot of you guys, have been as experienced as I am with riding. I'd like to hear your comments too. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you all in the next video. Ride on.